Hello everyone, and today we are going to discuss Titano. It's my 15th day with Titano. So before I start this project I thought it is a scam. Titano is a scam. Titano, they are not going to pay you. Titano will pay highest fixed APY 1,2483% per year, which is impossible. That's all I used to think like that, but it's my 15th day and now I see that it's really working. So today I'm going to show you that how much I have made in Titano in just 15 days. So this is the website of Titano.Finance, and one thing I want to make it clear here that I am not using any referral link, because in this program they are not offering any referral commission, and second, it is not a sponsored thing. So it is completely volunteer based video, and I am trying out these multiple kind of passive incomes so I can know that which programs are working and which is not working. At the moment I can say that it has been 15 days. I saw a very drop down in Titano because their price from 0.19 it was dropped up to 0.3, which is completely, oh my god, I cannot tell you how it was. It like that we are rug pull. What is rug pull we will discuss later, or you can comment, I can tell you what is rug pull. The thing is that I felt that we are scammed, we lost money, each and everything. But later on the same day, the price raised against back to 0.12. 0.12 price where I started my journey. 15 days back the price was 0.12, but now the price is, I am going to tell you in my video. So here I am going to show you my account. So for opening an account you have to click on open app, and then you have to click your MetaMask. First go here, log in your MetaMask. After that it will be, screen will be like this. Okay, so now you have to click on connect and select MetaMask. Then you will be in your account. Here you can buy Titano. In this program you don't have to do anything. You just have to click on buy Titano, just leave it over there. It will automatically compound every day. It will pay you every day. The next half hour you will see there is increase in your balance. So the price is right now 0.1551. so this is the price at the moment. It is increased, and this is the market value of treasury assets, how much they have, and this is BNB liquidity value, and this is risk free value market. This is the complete statistics of Titano in a real time. And here is my account. This is my account. So according to them I have earned up to 185. How they are making that I have earned $185 up to now in 15 days? The thing is that when I purchased, the price was 0.12 and my tokens were 2200s. After 15 days my tokens are this 3380 Titano I own in the whole market. This is my share. I own this Titano, and the current balance is 524. So when I started my journey I just deposited $270 in this, but after 15 days here you can see my balance increased to 524. so it means it's really mind-blowing. But I want to make you one thing clear here, that this is the thing they are saying that I have earned $185 according to the current price, but this is the very exact figure that I have earned 1193 Titano. From the beginning I just bought some Titano and now they are increased to $3380. so it is really amazing project. So here is the thing. Let's say we open our calculator and we have 3380.52 Titano, and I am going to, so this is my balance. When I started I had 2187. This is the calculator. So they are saying that if I do nothing and I just left this amount for 30 days, after 30 days my balance will be $922 if the price remains same like 0.155, and my Titano tokens will be increased to 5,945. okay, but let's say if price is, when I purchased it was 0.12, and let's say after a month price will be 0.12. so here you can see still after 30 days my balance will be increased to $713, and if I left this for a year, this will be my balance at this price. I am not going to ask for a high price, I am just making it slow to make any average balance. So this is it. Right now my investment is $405 as per 0.12. After 1 year, if this program will stay, I really hope this will stay, and I am praying that this will stay so I can be a millionaire. Jokes apart, but the thing is it's doing really amazing. So I am really happy that my balance increased from 270 up to 524, and this is the best ever thing that you can withdraw your money just a click away. Let me just show you a demo. Click on swipe, and this is the exchange. You have to click your wallet, MetaMask, and now it is connected. So here you just swipe to Titano up and the BNB down. Now you just click on maximum. Here you can see the current price of this Titano is 525, and I just have to click on maximum and I have to click on approve Titano, and it will go to MetaMask. Let me show you. Approve Titano, it will ask me for MetaMask, and it's saying that it will charge me 0.14 fees. The thing is I am not in the mood to withdraw the money, but if I click on confirm, the amount will be transferred to my balance. So that's why I'm not doing it the moment. I just want to make it more grow, and I really hope this is the very first program I feel that it is a risk that you can lose your money at just a one click away. You can also lose the money. The thing is, I believe in this program that if it will last for even 1 year, definitely I am going to be rich. So I really hope that you like my video, and if you have any comments, just post it down, or if you want to know that how this program is earning and how they are making money, you just click on Titano.Finance and just go down, and there is a white paper. You can study. They mentioned their ways how they are making such income, and they are offering this APY which is never ever offered by any program. So this is really amazing. One make 2483% for a year. No one offers, no one. I am also surprised. And they have also Titano Play, but at the moment there was hack attempt. That's why the price from 0.19 was dropped to 0.01. And now they just paused this Titano Play because they are trying to recover the hack attempt, and they are trying to recover the Titano that has been lost. Once they will do it, they will resume the play, and then it is also a good part of their program. And how much you can earn? So with the investment of 1000 USDT, after a year you are going to earn this amount. It is really unbelievable. Oh my goodness. And these are the things, how they are earning, how is the risk free, how is everything they have mentioned. Even though if you want to read it more, the thing is you can click on Telegram, you can see how much their community is. Right now they have 21,945 members in Titano, and the investors, if you will go and see, there are 45,000 investors, which is about to be 50,000 in just few days. So this is really a good and amazing program, and you just go and read their white paper before you invest. So I did my part. I hope you really like my video. If you have any questions, just drop in the comments. Let's discuss about your questions, and I really hope that you will put any kind of criticism so I can improve my video. Thank you.